Hello and welcome back. This is Steve at Bucks Coins and welcome to the channel. Today we have a royalty £2 £5 or crown coin special. The first crown here is one that I've just got recently that I needed for my collection of crowns and £5. It's the 40 years of the coronation. I got this just before the Queen died. On this side it shows a crown, I believe it's the St Edward crown, which is used at the coronation, and trumpets coming off all the way round. And it says, "Faith and truth I will bear unto you," which is part of the monarch's speeches during the coronation. It gives the dates of 1953 to 1993. On the other side, because I'm not sure which is the obverse and which is the reverse, I think this is the obverse. It has the crown. It has the Queen in a central cartouche, and then around I believe there's 8 different people. There's 8 people defined on horseback in each of these areas here. I am not sure whether it is supposed to be the Queen trooping the colour or not. Might well be. I don't honestly know. The second coin in the series, or the second coin that I got recently, is an old style, and I think it originally was a crown rather than a £5 coin. It's that second portrait, it's Mateloff's portrait of the Queen. On the other side is one that's become a very well-known coin of Charles and Diana from their 1981 engagement. I also bought it thinking it was an FTC and crown set with this first aid cover. Let me just widen out. There we go. We have Many Faces of Diana. It's a tribute cover, so this came out after her death, a very tragic early death, and it shows Diana through various stages. They're all 26p stamps, which I think at the time were first class stamps, and it's one that's done in association from News of the World and its readers, in loving memory. This, I think you had to collect so many tokens from the News of the World over a period of time. I think it's 3 or 4 coins, 3 or 4 coupons, and then you sent off for the first aid cover. I don't know whether you had to pay some postage and packing or some money with it, but it was a memorial cover that was sponsored by a newspaper that no longer exists, which is a bit of a oxymoron, I suppose, in some ways, in the fact that Diana was completely always papped and chased by photographers that worked for people, a newspaper such as the News of the World. So for them to do that, although it shows some decorum, I suppose, it's a bit, I don't know, this is a bit two-faced in some ways, that they did this memorial having had their people, or people whose work they used, chasing her all over the world. However, it is a nice set of coins, a nice set of photographic stamps, or stamps with photographs of the late Princess of Wales. And I bought it with the coins, as I said, thinking it was part of the same deal. This was issued at the same time as the coin, without really thinking and looking at the stamps and going, no, that can't be, because there's too many pictures of Diana from later in her life to be the engagement one. So that's the end of this particular review. I hope you liked it, and if you have, please give me the thumbs up, and also I'd be grateful if you haven't already subscribed, if you thought about doing so. Your likes and comments go to help put the algorithm that will help me be put in front of new people who've not seen my work before. It doesn't cost you anything to give me the thumbs up, and if you choose to join, it doesn't cost you anything to be subscribed to the channel. Okay, if you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you're buying coins, wherever you're buying them from, I hope you can get them for the price that you want to pay. And in the meantime, I do a minimum of 4 videos a week, and I hope that you'll be able to find something that you like to watch. And until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, from me, thank you and bye bye. Ta-ra now.